Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to try out these Trader Joe's handsome cut potato chips. Oh god, it's one of those days. Handsome cut potato fries, basically french fries, and we're going to try them in the air fryer and see how they are. Okay, so let's see what we've got. Cooking instructions. Alright, cook from frozen, 425, 14 minutes. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to set our air fryer up for 400 and we're going to try these at about, let's go with a 10-minute cook time and see what we get. We'll open the basket up at 6 and do a shake and re-spritz with some oil as needed. So, all right, let's get them in the basket. When you see the marketing photos for these air fryers and they're talking about french fries, they show the picture where you see the basket from the side and there's like these fries just pouring out over the top. Okay, that's totally fake. You can't cook like that. You gotta have sort of a flattish, you know, like a single layer for the most part. You don't want to like pile them up to here because nothing's gonna cook right. So I'm gonna spritz them. I use a peanut oil. You don't have to add oil, but it's better. It just tastes better if you add some. We're gonna go here. We're gonna come up to 400, and let's take our cook time. Let's go for 6 minutes, and then we'll check. That'll be, I would say, about the halfway point. We'll pull the basket out. We'll shake everything. We'll re-spritz as necessary, and put them back in. They just turn themselves off, so you can see they're really doing some cooking. I can smell them, but they're not really crisped up. So I'm going to shake the basket. I don't think it needs any oil added. I can see a little bit of a sheen, so I'm not going to add any more, but I'm going to put them back in. And we'll do another round at 400 and we'll try 5 minutes and then we'll see where we are. Okay, my timer just went off. Let's see how the fries look. I think they look pretty good. All right, let's plate them up and try them out. Okay, here they are on the plate. I wound up adding some salt to these. They needed a little salt. And let's see how they are. I think they taste pretty good, but they're not like super crispy fries. If you like really crispy fries, these are not. These are not going to be your fries, but they're not bad tasting. And if you're already at Trader Joe and you like Trader Joe brands, then they're pretty good. I've had better, but they're not bad. I kind of think the Lidl ones are better tasting, and they're certainly crispier. But these aren't bad. I guess I would give them overall maybe a 7.5 out of 10. Okay, I'll have the instructions for how I made them in the description bar, and that's what I've got for you in this video, and I'll see you next time.